Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fimran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010 UP Diliman. What's up?
What's up, sir? Kamusta?
What's up? Ayos
Siguro
naman.
ito yung first time na si Enzo nandun sa venue, tas ako ang wala.
Oo nga eh. Kakaiba nga to eh.
Iba. Anyway, we faced NU today, and the NU Bulldogs final score was 78-60 in favor of the UP Fighting Maroons.
Tayo na lang ang
Man,
undefeated na team sa UAP. Kalaan nyo
our,
yun.
our third win in a row. So we're 3-0 this season 86.
Yup.
Nakalain yun. Yun nga, wala ako kanina. Si Enzo nandun. And medyo pahirap pa ng tickets nga pala today, no? Kasi lahat ng teams naglaro. So apat na game yun. Isang ticket.
Oh,
Di ko rin alam
on
sino
the
nag-isip nun.
on the bright side, yung mga yung tickets naman sulit kasi
Sa bagay.
kunyari
Oh,
upper box ko 250.
apat
Makanood
na
ka na
yun.
apat na laro.
Tama
Buong
din
araw ka
naman.
doon, 250. Okay na rin, pero yun nga, pahirapan talaga sa tickets.
Ang hirap. Ikaw ba? Kagabi mo lang ba na ano yan? Kagabi mo lang nahanap yun eh, di ba?
Kahapon ng tanghali or hapon ko na nabili. Nagulat nga ako meron pang available online. Upper box.
Marami
Upper
pa.
box lang yung, parang, ano ba?
Well, I mean, hindi.
Hindi na siya ganun karami yata.
Okay.
Kasi parang best available lang yung pinili ko eh.
Mm.
Hindi na ako nakapili ng ibang sections. Pero,
Pero, pero mostly UP, malamang, yung nandun
oh,
kanina.
oh.
So,
Pero marami ring, ano eh, marami ring Ateneo fans nung
mm,
na nagstay din ata. Kasi first game sila, di ba? Talo sila.
wala lang, FYI lang, tayo sila.
Talo sila. Buzzer beater ng Adamson.
Andun ka na nun.
Napakagandang laro.
Andun ka na nun.
Nandun na ako nun. Napanood ko na
Okay.
yung fourth quarter eh.
Eh,
Ganda.
kailan ba
Ganda ng
humabol?
laban.
Oo.
Fourth.
Yung fourth
Fourth
na eh.
quarter eh.
Kasi denominate nila nung ano eh.
Parang pagpasok ko, lamang pa ng mga 8 or 10 points yung Ateneo eh.
Fourth. Fourth na
Nung
to.
fourth. Oh, nung fourth na yun. Yun. Unti-unting humabol yung Adamson.
Pero,
OT.
oo nga, nag-overtime nga pala.
Kaya na-late yung start ng UP game. And lahat
Saka,
the rest of the games,
apektado
na-late
yun.
na ng start.
Apektado lahat, no? Okay, anyway, sige, that's actually kakatapos lang din nung ano, as we're recording this, kakatapos lang din nung UEFU game, the last of the four games today. So, yung table officials dun malamang sobrang pagod. Well,
Sana may kapalit man lang.
oh, I think simultaneous yung games with the women's today. So, hindi ko lang paano na ginagawa yan. Anyway, we beat NU convincingly today.
Mhm.
Actually, hindi ko lang siya magsisimula. Pero, heading into the game, heading into the first quarter, napansin ko, parang medyo, yung talagang dikit yung laban. Mabagal, um, physical, and,
Oo. Yung typical grind it out na game.
oh,
Yung kalalabasan akala natin, di ba?
same ba yung vibe dun sa venue? Dun sa inisip natin ngayon? Kasi, ako, TV lang eh. So, ikaw, mas mo yung full vibe nung action.
Oh, yung yung vibe sa Araneta kanina parang ano actually parang na feel ko medyo
Right?
kalmado lang naman yung crowd natin.
Relax. Oo.
Kahit nung nung simula, 'di ba? Nag 9 point lead yung NU.
Mm.
Parang hindi ko naman na feel na ano yung crowd na
Kinabahan or
galit,
medyo, oo.
kinabahan. Hindi ganoon yung feeling from where I'm sitting. So siguro ewan ko, mas may tiwala siguro tayo sa team natin ngayon na kaya natin 'yan. Okay lang 'yan. 9 point lead, kaya natin habulin 'yan.
So we actually finished the first quarter down by 4, 13-9. Siguro kasi, yun nga, parang early on, we weren't making our shots. Tapos maganda yung depensa nila din ng NU against us. And they were making shots inside, kaya lumamang sila after the first, no? But come the second quarter, um, we outscored NU 21-12. Dito medyo nakakascore na sila Harold. Tama ba ako? Well, syempre si Malik.
Oo,
Um,
the usual suspects. Si
oh, the
CJ, si
usual.
Harold,
Pero si CJ hindi
si
pa
Malik.
masyado. First half, di ba?
Mas
First
mas
half.
ano mas second half siya.
Oo.
Pero nung time na to sila si Harold, CJ, hindi sorry
Jan,
si Malik. Sino ba
Raylan,
gumawa nun?
Jan ata. Oh, Rayland.
Oo.
Top scorer siya nung ano eh. Jerry. Yan, sila. So yun, at least medyo nakuha na natin yung vibe, yung rhythm at least nung second quarter kahit pa paano. Kasi at halftime, top score, hindi ko na pala yung top scorers. Pero yung halftime stats are we had 10 fast break points, 3 of 13, hindi sorry, 10 fast break points, 0 for NU, 3 of 13 from 3-point range sa UP, 1 of 7 sa NU. Rebounds, we got 28, 24 for NU, and steals, apat sa NU, dalawa sa UP. The score was 30-25 in favor of UP. So dito, at least medyo we were picking up on our rhythm, especially as we went into the third. Evident
Yes.
yung adjustments na ginawa ni coach heading into the third quarter all the way to the end of the game. Ito, medyo naging high scoring na siya kasi we outscored NU 28-20 in the third. And dito nagsimula mag-pull away. Tama ba ako? Or...
Oo. Tama. Kasi doon na yung nag-start ng gumawa sila CJ, mga 3 points nila, si Harold, tapos yung streak ni Lopez, mga dunk niya, di ba? Yun, doon yung nag-start, and ganun din, parang sa previous game, caused by ano yan eh, maganda rin yung defense.
Yes.
Leads to transition opportunities, which leads to easy baskets.
Yes.
Kaya naging ganun yung score din. Kaya tumaas kasi bumilis nga yung pace. Bumilis yung laro natin doon eh. Tsaka syempre, we hit our shots. Most importantly. Na ganito yung nakita natin nung previous games na parang offense na nagfo-flow nga. Mas very fluid yung motion on offense, yung ball movement. Doon siya sa second half talaga lumabas. Unlike sa first na parang hindi natin makuha yung spots na gusto natin eh. Credit to NU's defense. Maganda talaga yung adjustment nila doon sa first half na parang hindi natin mabigay kay Malik yung bola. So wala yung mga easy inside baskets niya. Tapos yung driving lanes natin parang nasa shut off nila. O kung maka-drive man, yung maka-drive man, hirap i-kick out. Kung ma-kick out man, nandun kagad yung close out sa shooters. So, yun nagawa ng NU in the first half. Kaya ang ganda ng adjustment talaga na nangyari nung second half. Kaya tama yung pinost mo na it was really a master class on our team's part kasi yun eh, yung adjustment na yun parang ng first half talagang hindi mo alam saan pupunta yung offense natin. If this happened before, kuwari nung season 81-82 parang wala to. Yung low scoring na first quarter, yun na yun. Ganun na yung
tuloy na yun. Mismo.
Tuloy-tuloy na yun. Baka lumaki yung lead ng NU to 15-20 points tas hindi makaka-recover.
Correct.
objectively speaking wala akong
Oo,
binabash
ano lang.
na sino man, di ba?
Totoo naman, di ba? I mean,
Pero, yun, ganun yung mangyayari dati. And, galing. Ang ganda nung, ito talaga yung best game of the season. Although, I would say na yung final score is farther than how it played out talaga.
oo, no?
Tingin ko, oh, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman ganoon ka layo yung galing ng NU eh. The way they played, mas ano ba, paano ba? May konting breaks of the game din na
O, tapos
nag
nagsunod-sunod yung big shots
puro
natin
offensive foul
siguro.
o yung big
Oh,
shots
yun, siya pa
nila
yun.
natin. Ang daming offensive fouls na tinawag against NU sunod-sunod.
Oo nga,
Parang yun
oo.
din, may momentum na na-build din. Pero overall, kung titignan mo yung laro talaga ng NU, hindi naman masama eh. Actually, maganda nga yung game nila.
Mhm.
Pero, yun, exciting yung magiging second round siguro natin against NU. For sure, maganda yung adjustments na gagawin ni Coach Jeff dyan. So, tingnan natin.
Correct. Depensa really made the difference for us. So, talking about yung score nga, inisip ko the whole time, matatapos lang to mga 60, ganyan, 60, 50 final score. Then
Hmm.
again, yun nga, nangyari na, nagulat ako na umabot na 70 yung score natin. Um, yeah, so, I mean, kasi nga, heading into the first round this season, inisip nga natin, ito yung pinaka-big game na mangyayari. Well, it didn't disappoint naman. We got challenged today. We can't discredit the fact na NU came out to play and they showcased their defense towards us. But luckily, sabi ko ba luckily, I mean, luckily from our point of view, we have a good we have good tacticians on the bench that would counter those NU attacks.
Hmm.
Because kung titingnan niyo yung stats, the usual suspects here would be Kian Baclaan and Steve Nash Enriquez. Kian Baclaan scored 9 points. Steve Nash scored 1 in 13 minutes.
Hmm.
Kian Baclaan was
Mhm.
30% from field goal range,
3 of 10.
3 of 10. Steve Nash is 0 of 5. Top scorer for NU was Jake Figueroa with 13, Omar John with 11, and Palacelo with 10. These are the guys that don't really score that much kasi nga, these are the bigs. And, well, John does Figueroa from time to time, but si Palacelo as a top scorer, I don't think yun yung main role niya sa NU, no? But, so, siguro that goes to show kung gaano na-adjust yung depensa natin towards their known scorers for this game. And if you look at the NU lineup, ito, hindi ko lang kung MVP siya ng juniors, pero si Humamoy was the star of the NU Bullpups last season, and he got limited to 8 minutes only in this game. Also, L.A. Casinillo, who's also another prize recruit with 2 minutes only. Kasi nga, loaded sila sa guards.
Mhm.
So, bulk of those minutes, si Baklaan ang gumamit as the point guard. Which, hindi, na-bring up lang yung topic na yun. Kasi nga, these are high-profile recruits. And, ewan ko, hindi ko lang, I'm just leaving it out there if ever, kayo mag-judge, are they being utilized properly? I don't know, then again, yun, okay, heading back to UP, we started with Harold, Maymay, Jerry, Aldous, and Malik. Quite different compared to the first two games wherein si Janjan started. And sino nga yung dalawa nag-start dati? Basta si Aldous and Malik yung constant ngayon. It's nice to see Aldous getting that starting spot at least for the 4 spot, and he's getting his minutes, he's getting his chances. Um, I'm still waiting for yung talagang breakout game ni Aldous this season.
Yeah,
Kasi
wala pa yun eh.
darating yan. Oo, for sure. Um, Player of the game was Francis Lopez, 14 points, 1 block, 2 steals, 4 assists, 7 rebounds. Again, a little bit of everything from Francis. Nung sinasabi nga kanina na nung pre-game ni Isaac Go, kung titingnan mo yung stats si Francis, parang sakto lang di ba? From
Mm.
us na sanay sa mga big numbers and all. But it doesn't show how it impacts on the court during games. Kasi, iba di ba? Even if we say yung dunk na is just 2 points, iba yung moral na nabibigay nun sa team as well as the crowd. And how
Oo.
demoralizing it gets to the opponents. So, yung mga hindi nakapanood kay Francis nung preseason, early on when he joined the team, ito na yung lumalabas. Ito na yung, I mean, nakikita niyo na kung gaano ka capable si Francis of being a team player. Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi siya team player before. I think he was. Oh, he was naman even nung juniors. But it's nice to see how he complements with the Fighting Maroons. A loaded lineup, tas sumali pa siya, but he finds his ways to make himself effective. And wala, ang galing. That's why nung early on, nung ball out, nung Phil Oil, we were very impressed already with how he was playing. Kasi yung ganito, hindi pilit, hindi niya, pag wala siyang shot, pasa niya. If ever he's not making contributions to offense, he does it on defense, which is even better. So, ang galing, ang galing. He deserves this Player of the Game award today. But then again, if you think about it, pwede rin kasing si Malik, si CJ, or si Harold yung mabigyan ng Player of the Game today.
Oo.
Siguro wala
Kasi
nila
sila
silang...
yung
Oh.
sila yung paunti-unti yung contribution nila during that third quarter to fourth quarter na run natin na nag-extend nung lead. Diba? Parang big shot after big shot yung binigay nila, palitan sila. Tapos walang sagot yung NU. Walang balik yung NU dun sa ano nila, 'di ba? Sa scoring nung tatlong 'yon.
Yeah,
Ganda.
Wala, grabe talaga. As in, yeah, the perfect word was masterclass. And this is already NU, one of our top opponents this season. So magandang i-pass our early test with flying colors. And talagang we just want to keep improving from this. Malik was the second leading scorer with 12 and 13. Again, another double-double for Malik in 28 minutes. CJ, 12 points, 1 turnover, 1 assist, 1 rebound.
Ilan yung ano niya?
3
Ilan
of
yung tres
6.
niya?
3 of 6 from downtown. So, okay pa.
So,
Sa
nung
akin,
first game meron siyang 5. Nung Wednesday meron siyang
tatlo.
3.
Tapos tatlo
Ngayon
ulit.
meron siyang 3 ulit. So,
So,
meron siyang 11
ang tally natin ay 11 as of game
in
3.
3 games. So, tingnan natin ang ilang games niya magagawa na meron siya at least 3 3-pointers. Tingnan
Yes,
natin.
sir. Yan
Sana hindi
ang...
natin jinx by saying that now. Tingnan natin sa Wednesday.
Hindi ko namin i-pressure. Hindi, huwag na. Hindi ko na sabihin ko. But then, yun ang tally natin kay CJ this season. He has 11. And he has Siya yung pinakamarami we were 6 of 23 from 3-point range. So half of that is CJ. Two big shots, one in halftime, before halftime, and one big one third, capping off starting a run or middle of the run before
Yes.
we pulled away. After that, some guy named Harold Alarcon scored 10, one turnover, one assist. Tama ba? One assist,
Oh,
one rebound. Again, tingin ko si Harold medyo ano pa, nag-cruise pa into early on unless she's injured. But we all know how,
hindi.
ano,
Tingin ko hindi eh. Based sa sa galaw niya, parang
all out,
talagang
all out yun.
all out na controlled,
Yun nga.
kalmado lang. Kumaga hindi siya hampered by injury or something.
Mm,
Parang yun talaga yung role niya.
okay.
Kasi pag naglalaro naman, pag nasa court naman siya, parang kuha niya yung bola, he will try
Go,
to create,
go hard pa rin. Oo.
go hard pa rin. Kung wala, edi pasa.
Okay.
Wala, hindi, yun nga, hindi niya pinipilit.
Hindi pinipilit.
Hindi pilit, goes with the flow of the offense. So yung mga tira din niya parang ganda ng form niya.
In
Talagang
rhythm.
pinupuri ko yung form niya, no? Oo, kasi in
In
rhythm,
rhythm.
yun yung point
Oo.
ko. Kasi in
In
rhythm
rhythm.
yung tira niya. So, maganda itsura. Walang awkward movements na nangyayari. Parang calculated lahat ng ginagawa niya. So, makikita mo sa mukha niya, parang relax
Easy
lang
lang.
siya.
Relax lang.
Game face lang na, alam mo yun, yung neutral mukha niya na tinitilian ng mga babae dun sa likod ko. Ilang beses sinabi, ay, pogi! Ang pogi! Ito yung pinapakita siya dun sa Jumbotron. Wow.
Taga-UP yan. Malamang. Taga-UP yan.
Oo, taga-UP, taga-UP. Actually, hindi ko pala alam kasi nasa likod ko. Hindi ko naman tinitignan. Tapos marami namang fans ng ibang schools na nanonood ng game. So, pwedeng hindi taga-UP,
Pwede.
pero
Posible.
malamang taga-UP.
Ano
Basta
yan.
napopugian sila kay Harold talaga. Puging-pugi sila.
Shout out Tito Rems, kay Chris. Um, okay, next up was Mai, who was very instrumental today, both on offense and defense, facilitating the offense and controlling. Yeah, I mean, getting big stops on defense. Let's give it up for Mai, who scored 8, 1 steal, 5 assists, 6 rebounds, and but he was 0 of 5 from 3-pointers. But then again, that impact.
Hindi lang pumapasok. Parang yung
Oh,
looks naman niya magaganda eh.
maalat lang talaga. Parang kay Jerry,
Maalat
no?
lang talaga.
Parang kay Jerry. Si Jerry pa nakaisa. Yeah, May. Alam niyo na yung may hang time pa siya kanina na
Oo,
last na ano ko yun, Joseph few days pa.
ganda nun.
So, grabe, utak ni May, veteran na veteran. Um, Rayland, Rayland scoring big now. Yun nga, nung halftime, I think he already had 6. Rayland was 1 of 5, 1 of 1 from downtown, 3 of 6 from free throws. Patay ka dito kay Bianca. Uh, 2 assists, 2 turnovers. Yeah, but this is Raylan's biggest scoring night as of late, early this season. So, antayin nyo lang yan. Meron pang, possible mag-POG yan si Raylan this season. Jerry, our starter, 25 minutes. Jerry showing up this season already. I mean, his improvement, if you haven't noticed his improvement, ito yun. Jerry scored 8. Um, four rebounds, 1 assist. Again, yeah. Yung impact ni Jerry as well does not show on stat sheet, but aside from the scoring, but we all know he's capable of more. And it's nice to see din na he's taking more shots now. And tiwala lang at babagsak din yan. Jan Felicielda. 3 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Okay. For Jan, look at this. He played 15 minutes pero yung stats I would say not bad. He does
Yeah.
more on yung impact sa facilitating the offense and his defense. Jan today, even Jerry, and Raylan. Siguro our guards did their best in containing Baklaan and Enriquez. That's why naging ganito yung score in the end. So, tas sumo-score pa sila, 'di ba?
Oo.
Grabe
Both
na yun.
ends.
Grabe na yun, no? So, yun yung perspective natin dapat. And now, let's give it up for Luis Pablo. He scored his first UAP basket.
Yes.
Actually, hindi ko nakita to. Ano naalala mo? Hindi ko nakita. Nakita ko lang siya.
Post. May pinostehan siya eh. Hindi ko maalala kung sino.
Hindi assist.
Pero,
so,
hindi.
Post move.
Kung tama alala ko, post move to hook shot or something.
Hey.
Tapos, ganda. Ang ganda nung laro niya. Parang, pinapanood ko siya yung hindi yung nakascore siya na basket, pero yung possessions after that on defense or basta pag wala siyang bola. Parang nagkakaroon siya ng confidence sa body language niya. Nakikita kong mas may kumpiyansa siya sa galaw niya today than the past 2 games.
Nice one, Luis.
Good sign for us moving forward, and watch out, you up.
Yes, sir.
Watch out, everyone. Ito na yung next big man ng UP.
Luis and Mark getting enough minutes, I would say. Enough minutes with at least 7 minutes each. At least now, nakukuha nila yung flow nila. I'm sure being on the floor gives a big confidence to them as rookies kasi laking bagay yan, honestly. Only player who didn't play today was Chico Briones. So, hindi natin alam kung may injury siya or what. But, again, Zoe, unlike previous seasons, medyo lumalalim yung rotation natin, no? Malalim yung lineup in itself, pati yung rotation. It's nice to see na nasa spread out.
Unless parang early season experimentation ni coach na tira natin based on matchups, sinong gagana, sinong hindi. So marami pang naglalaro ngayon, pero eventually by siguro second round medyo mag-shorten yung rotation
unless
hindi siya magiging as deep. Pero yun nga, kung may makita si coach na itong matchup na to pwede si Luis palaruin natin o si Sean Alter palaruin natin, pero sa next game parang mas bagay si dito si Seven palaruin natin. Kumbaga okay yung deep na nilalaro natin ngayon, tapos parang maganda yung production from top to bottom kasi down the line yun nga, kung magiging match-up problem yung isa, pwede mong ipalit tong isa. Tapos alam mong gagawa pa rin siya. May production pa rin offensively or defensively or kung anumang area yung kailangan mo tong taong to. Meron sila.
Tapos kung hindi pa rin mag-work yun, meron pang isa ulit na papalit.
Oo, di ba? Diba? Maraming options talaga eh. Yun yung benefit talaga ng pagiging deep. And actually, nung kumaalala natin yung season 82, malalim din yun eh, di ba? Yes. Dami din nating magagaling na players nun, pero bakit parang hindi natin na-feel yung depth na yun as much as we're feeling it now?
Oo.
Di ba? Merong
posible naman, di ba? Posible. Ito nga, di ba? Ito lineup na to, nagagamit. Most.
Oo. Oh,
So,
so siguro ngayon kasi na-achieve natin yung gusto nating ma-achieve with this lineup. Pero yung dati parang meron tayong gustong ma-achieve, hindi natin maabot. So hindi mo ma-utilize the rest kasi nga hindi mo ma-achieve eh. Kung ano yung optimal vision mo nung team na yun, di ba?
mhm. Kaya niya, unless heading into the future games, we get the privilege of having a blowout. Yun, mas
Oo.
lalong malaking option yung magagamit talaga lahat. Oh. So yeah, yeah. So far so good. At least yung we're almost halfway into round one. Wala mo yun, di ba? Last week lang tayo halfway na agad. Uh, Three convincing wins at that. Wala na kami ibang mahingi pa ni Enzo at from these three games.
Free throws. Yun lang hinihingi
Oh,
ko.
bakit? Ilan ba natin yun?
Ang daming ano eh. Si LeBron. Ang daming opportunities. 2 of 5 siya, free
Two of
throws.
five.
Tatlong mintis lang, pero tatlo pa rin yun eh.
Sa Sri
Out of 5.
Sri 3 of 6.
Ang daming points left on the table na,
Hindi, tsaka
ano
knowing
man,
this,
hindi,
knowing these
mm,
players, hindi naman sila masama eh, sa free throw, di ba? Parang si
di
Mason
ba?
Amos kanina na nagmintis ng two straight key free throws.
Oo nga. Siya pala yun. Siya pala yun.
The
Hindi
stretch,
ko
no?
napansin eh. Pero yun, kasi hindi naman lahat ng games magiging blowout. Di ba? We're gonna play close games somewhere down the line na during those games, pwede mong balikan sa kung napasok ko lang yung free throw na to. Nakadalawa man lang ako out of sa 4 na na-miss ko. Eh di sana ganito yung nangyari. Alam mo yun? Kakaroon
Mm.
ng ganong senaryo palagi eh, na yun nga, hindi laging blowout yung panalo na okay lang mag-miss ng ilang free throws. Kasi kakaroon ka ng close game against baka yung next game natin, ganun.
Mhm.
Or against Ateneo or lalo kung sa Final Four, di ba? When the games matter more. Tapos sa free throws ka magkakalat ng points. Sayang naman. So, marami pa naman tayong time to get better at that. Pero
Yes.
yun sana yung i-work out talaga nila.
Yes. Ah, yun nga eh. The scary thing here is we still can improve as a team
Mm.
and individually. So, ito should be put behind already. Again, we got good production from everyone who played. So let's focus on the next game and keep on improving as a team. Kasi may mga lapses pa rin naman kanina eh, di ba? So we just have to have this growth mindset with the team and hopefully ma-lessen lalo yung mistakes. From my point of view, hindi pa rin nag-peak tong team na to. Marami pang pwedeng ma-improve
Sheesh.
schemes, set plays, alam mo yun, ang daming, yung amuyan
Oo.
nila on offense
Yes.
or kayang-kaya pa yan maging something else. Mali mo maging Love City yan for Francis, for Malik.
Pwede.
It's very possible. Kaya abangan nyo. So, close it out. We face
Ah,
FU on Wednesday. Pero I
if
would say
you
panalo na yun. Sa akin morning game, first
oh,
game ulit.
I mean, they blew a big lead against UE today. So talo sila ng ilang points pa. So kaya natin 'yan. I mean, of course, you never know. Baka mas maganda gising nila sa atin kaysa sa Wednesday. Uh, so, syempre, alam naman natin, we always play hard in every game that we play. So, tingin ko naman, it wouldn't make the game against FU any different. So,
Yes.
sana manalo ulit. Sana convincing pa rin yung panalo. And pahinga lang sila ngayon.
Oo. Yeah, yun lang. Hindi dapat, wala, hindi man tayo, we got a big win, but nothing to celebrate still. We haven't achieved anything yet. We're just 3-0. Uh, Being number one early on doesn't mean anything. Kaya, yun. Wala, we just focus on the next game, and I'm sure that's how they focus as well. Hopefully, if ever merong mga injury dyan, gumaling. But yeah, if we keep this mindset heading into each and every game this season, we're gonna be deadly. Just as how we were today, guys. So,
Yes.
yun lang. Wala kaming ibang masabi
Yes.
pa. We just have to improve as a team, and sobrang tuwang-tuwa kami sa nangyayari ngayon sa team, and tuwang-tuwa din kami na natalo yung Ateneo today. Okay?
Buzzer beater.
At that, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Vince Magbuhos. Para sa yan.
Nice one,
Dahil mong,
Vince.
dahil mong pinasayang
Congrats.
fans today. So thank you, thank you. Lahat tayo sumaya sa birthday mo. Okay. And that's it.
Totoo yan.
See you guys next.
See you guys.
So, thank you.
Salamat.
Nakapanood ka today. And ako ang wala.
Salamat.
See you soon. See you soon. That's been Maroon Talk, everyone. UP Fight. Peace.
UP
3-0,
Fight.
baby. 3-0.
Maraming salamat, guys.
Yep.